Hello learners. In this, let's discuss crop and seed production lecture 6. Contents. Here we have horticulture, soil and climate requirements, Rabi crops, its varieties, cultural practices and yield. First, soil requirements for horticultural crops. In cold soils, chemical and biological activities are slow and availability of nutrients like NPS and calcium is limited. Nitrification would not start when the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Climate requirements for horticultural crops. Minimum temperature. It is generally regarded that at 320 Fahrenheit or below the growth is suspended, while above this it proceeds shed. Maximum temperature. The lethal point less somewhere between 110 to 1300 degree Fahrenheit. Cultural practices and yield. To study effects of planting methods, seeding rates and row positions on bed on the yield and quality of grain from wheat. Flat and bed methods of planting resulted in similar weight grains, yield and grain volume weights. Production and economics of different Rabi crop and varieties. On the basis of wheat equivalent yield among various crops demonstrated and tested, garlic crop have the highest yield and net return compared with other crops followed by wheat. Similarly, among the different varieties tested, G282, Pusa Bold, Simpo S33, NRCSS AM1, NRCSS AA1, GI4, JG130 and GW273 variety of garlic and mustard.